Motorola Razr 2023 live image leak is giving us OG Razr V3 vibes. Razr. Remember that brand?
Yeah.
Well, they didn't give up on it. They were like, okay, well, Razr now is a folding display, and it's a clamshell, and the screen on the outside got even bigger. It's amazing how cool these devices can be, and yet how few people you see with them. They just have such a hard time cracking into iPhone, Samsung universe. People are just not really taking chances on these form factors. The Z Fold a little bit, but some of these other ones less so. Yeah. Motorola Razr 2023 has already shown its face in the form of leaked renders now. Tipster Sadansu Amhor has managed to source a live image of the phone via 91 Mobiles, claims to show the actual device. The alleged 2023 pictured in the leak is hot pink in color. Some may call it salmon or magenta. And they say it's reminiscent of the Razr V3 from all the way back in 2005 when Will was only
a lad.
A young lad, an early Will dude, just snowboarding.
Yeah.
You were probably snowboarding in that time.
Yeah, it probably was.
It's half hot pink. It's a two-tone, half hot pink and half gray. I don't know. How are you feeling about that?
Yeah, I don't mind it. I wouldn't choose the hot pink, but I'm sure someone will. It's very pink. Yeah, I like it.
It looks like a mirror finish on the... but yeah. I guess you have a screen hidden under there, so maybe there's a reason for that. This is obviously a very early version because you can see that weird little text up there, which it would be on kind of on a prototype mostly. Yeah, maybe it's magenta. I don't know. I've tried to use the clamshell devices. I get away with it for a while, and then somehow I end up back on these slabs.
They are cool.
Or the bigger foldables as opposed to the smaller ones. I just think the portability aspect, for me at least, I got a big enough pocket. I'm not really... But I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe if I was doing more jumping jacks, and maybe if I had a small handbag, maybe if I was wearing tighter fitting clothes and I want the smallest little phone. I mean, we've talked about this before on the show. It used to be the smaller the phone, the cooler it was.
Yes.
Until all of a sudden they got screens on it and everyone started swiping and slapping and tapping, and then they got huge.
And then now we're here. But the flipping used to be so satisfying before in a small phone.
So satisfying. Yeah, so satisfying.
But now it's this weird concoction. Although it is cool.
No, it's definitely cool. It's absolutely cool. It's cyberpunk. It's futuristic, but, you just don't see too many of them out there. We'll see. This one is, what does it say? June 1st is the release? Is that what it says?
June 1st.
2023. We'll see. Maybe this one, maybe that's the banger we've been waiting for. Maybe they send it to us. And we're like, that's it. That's the banger. Using it every day.